Samio and I'm here with CollectPlus, and in today's video I'm going to share some tips which will hopefully make your morning routine a little bit faster. And all of the clothes and products in this video are available to click and collect at a CollectPlus store near you. So one of my best tips for making my morning routine that little bit faster is to actually prep the night before, and this starts with my outfit. I hate faffing in the morning, so it's so much easier if I know what I'm wearing, and for me it starts with good old basics. So here I've gone for a black roll neck, some black skinny jeans, and I just know that that combination works really well together. And then on top I can throw a nice blazer just to jazz the outfit up a little bit, and good old staple coat which goes with just about anything. Put on the boots, got the bag, and I'm good to go. When it comes to my beauty routine in the morning, I like to stick to 5 products just so that it's quick and easy. So first off, I've got a beauty sponge. This is from Lottie London via ASOS, and it just makes it so much easier to apply your makeup with a sponge. It means that you can kind of just squirt it on and rub it on as fast as you can. And I've gone for the Ordinary foundation, again via ASOS. It's a really lightweight one that's nice and easy to put on your face in the morning. And then I've got this Quick Brow, which is easy to comb through the brows, and then a mascara, because you always need a mascara. And then I've got this really great 2-in-1 product from Crayola, which can be used for both your lips and your cheeks, and a great product for on the go. I really do believe that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so even if I'm in a rush, I still like to make time for it. And here I've got some items which really help with that. So I've got my coffee mug so that I can put my coffee in here and take it with me on the go. I've got a water bottle. Both of these are available via ASOS. And last but not least, this from John Lewis, which is a Tupperware, which I personally like to pop some overnight oats in, and then I can eat my breakfast on the go. Those were just a few ways to make your morning routine that little bit faster, and don't forget you can click and collect all of the items featured in this video via CollectPlus.